the brown sugar scrub. I'm going to show you guys how to do the brown sugar scrub. And the brown sugar scrub is really good for the face, better for the face, the body as well. Okay, but you don't want to use this heavy Himalayan salt on your face. Okay, use this more for your body, from your neck go down. You would use the salt. Okay, so look at these nice gifts. Hello, nice and cheap gifts for the Christmas. All right, so let's get started. Let's see. So to get started now, we're gonna do half a cup of coconut oil. I could use my coconut oil, but I'm not gonna put this. I'm gonna use it probably in my food or whatever. So I'm gonna put half a cup of coconut oil. Where's that? All right, half a cup coconut oil, and then we have the brown sugar, 1 cup. So it's 1 part coconut oil and 2 part brown sugar. Okay, so you put that in there. All right, and you could also put a lot of other things to this as well. I'm gonna put a little vanilla essence in it. I know it sounds like I'm cooking food, right? Food for my body, for my skin. All right, so you put that in there, and you just mix this up. That's it. It's so easy, and you'll be surprised how this little product, so simple, is gonna really hydrate your skin, keep your skin from being so dry. The winter weathers are coming up right now. Okay, and we need to moisten our skin, our heels. All right, so just take a little bit. I'm gonna put it on my hand so you guys could see all this black spot we have in the back of our hand here. Hey, we're going for 100 years. We need the coconut oil scrub, sugar scrub. All right, so we put that on, and dark spot they said too. Some, I need to get mine's going. All right, so you put this on, really circular motion, and massage it in like that. God, it's feeling good already. This thing feeling real nice and smooth. It will keep your skin. Listen, you could do this to yourself. Okay, you're gonna keep your body looking 100 years old. All right, so that's for the sugar scrub. All right, so next now, and then first now, make sure your skin is clean first before you put on your sugar scrub. All right, so you wash up and everything, get yourself ready, and then you put it on. And this is good for the face. And you could do the sugar scrub 4 times a week, because what happened, the sugar is not, they said the sugar is not as harsh like the salt. All right, so with the sugar now, it's round and it's small. And don't go buy them really heavy grainy sugar unless you want a lot of exfoliating, into your body. So just yeah. All right, so now, I'm talking too much. Let's get going. All right, so let's do the other one. So we're doing the Himalayan salt scrub. Same thing, 2 to 1. Half a cup of coconut oil, and then 1 cup of the salt. And you could just put, you could put like different types of oils in this salt. You could put peppermint oil, but this oil you mustn't be allergic to it. Okay, peppermint oil. You could put what you call it, peppermint oil. You could put orange oil, or any kind of citrus oil you could put in here. So I have a little orange oil. I wish you guys could smell this thing, because it's really nice. A little bit. And you put this together, mix it up, mix this up. That's it. So simple. And remember, the salt is good from the neck to the toe. Get the heels. Get them dry up heels. Oh yeah, you got them dry up heels. So get that on. So I'm gonna put some in this other hand, and you just same way. Work it. Could you imagine you go to bed and woo, where you be like really oiled down and nice. You see that? So the Himalayan, this oil is very, the salt is very good. People eat with the salt. You can put this in your food, but remember, high blood pressure patients and some of the patients, we have to be very, very careful when we're using these type of salt, all right? So be careful with that. So after that, you just wash it off. Yeah. Let me wipe it off so you guys could see. Okay, so just wipe it off with a rag. Heaven's sake. I mean, my hand is like baby bottom. I am telling you guys. It's like baby bottom. Nice and moisturized. Smooth. I love it. I love it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to send this video up on Facebook. I'm taking it to my YouTube channel. And I hope you guys subscribe. And don't forget to share. Let's share. Alright? So, talk to you. Hope you like it. Alright. Bye.